Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to airdrop photos and videos in full quality. No more blurry memories. So you want to share those stunning vacation photos or hilarious cat videos with your friends and family without sacrificing quality. We've all been there. AirDrop is fantastic, but sometimes the results are less than ideal. Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll walk you through a simple step-by-step guide to ensure your airdropped photos and videos retain their original glory. We'll show you how to avoid the automatic compression and get the best possible transfer quality. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you're new here, subscribe to Fix Zone for more tech tips and tricks. Alright, let's get started. Okay. So the reason AirDrop sometimes compresses your photos and videos is due to the default settings and automatic optimization on your iPhone or iPad. Here's how to bypass that. Step 1. Checking HEIF/HEVC settings. First, let's make sure your camera settings are properly configured. Go to your iPhone Settings app. Then, scroll down and tap on Camera. Next, tap on Formats. Now this is important. Make sure you've selected Most Compatible. High Efficiency, HEIF/HEVC, is great for saving storage space, but it can cause compatibility issues and potential compression during AirDrop if the recipient's device doesn't fully support it. Selecting Most Compatible will ensure your photos are saved as JPEGs and videos as H.264, which are universally recognized and less prone to compression during transfer. However, keep in mind that this will take more storage space. Step 2. Using iCloud Link for large videos. Sometimes, even with the right settings, very large videos can still be compressed. For these instances, AirDrop might not be the best option. Instead, use iCloud Link. Go to your Photos app. Select the video you want to share. Tap the share icon, the square with an arrow pointing upwards. Scroll down and tap Copy iCloud Link. Now just paste that link into a text message, email, or whatever method you prefer, and send it to your friend. They can then download the video directly from iCloud in its original quality. This is also great if the person you want to share with doesn't use Apple products or even has a slower internet connection. Step 3. Restarting devices, troubleshooting step. If you're still having trouble, a simple restart can often do the trick. Turn both your device and the recipient's device off and back on again. Sometimes, a fresh start is all you need to clear out any glitches that might be affecting the AirDrop process. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can ensure that your photos and videos are airdropped in full quality every time. So go ahead and try it out. Share those amazing memories with your friends and family exactly as they were meant to be seen. Remember to leave a comment below if you have any questions or run into any issues. We're always happy to help. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Fix Zone for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.